This video will show you how to replace the batteries on your door lock. To get started, make sure you have 4 new AA batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, on the inside of your door, remove the battery cover by removing the screw at the top of the cover. Remove the 4 old AA batteries. And replace them with the 4 new AA batteries. Be sure to follow polarity guidelines. Reverse these steps to replace the cover and tighten the screw. Next, test the lock using the manual controls on the lock. Finally, verify that the lock can be locked and unlocked through the mobile app.